Earthquake PSA by Mia. The New Madrid seismic zone is the most active seismic area in the United States east of the Rocky Mountains. The New Madrid is located in southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, and southern Illinois. Southwestern and Indiana and northwestern Mississippi are even close enough to receive significant shaking from large earthquakes occurring in the New Madrid. The active faults in the New Madrid are poorly understood because they are not expressed as the ground surface where they can be easily studied. These faults are hidden beneath 100 to 200 foot thick layers of soft river. There are two types of seismic waves. Body waves arrive before the surface waves emitted by an earthquake. These waves are of a higher frequency than surface waves. Surface waves are of a lower frequency than body waves and are easily distinguished on a seismogram as a result. A tectonic plate is a massive, irregularly shaped slab of solid rock, generally composed of both continental and oceanic lithosphere. Plate size can vary greatly, from a few hundred to thousands of kilometers across. The Pacific and Antarctic plates are among the largest. This is the biggest earthquake in Kentucky. It was magnitude 5.2 in 1980 in northeast Kentucky near Bath County. It was the strongest in the history of Kentucky, and it was felt all over parts of 15 states and in Canada. Damage occurred in Indiana, into Kentucky, and Ohio. Once you feel an earthquake, you need to drop, cover, and hold on. This is an example of what not to do during an earthquake. You do not need to run. You need to get under a table and maybe even anchor your furniture to a bigger piece of furniture. And definitely do not use elevators because you can get hurt and it's very dangerous. After an earthquake, always check yourself and others for injuries, check water, gas, and electric lines for damage, turn on the radio, stay out of damaged buildings, be careful around broken glass and debris, be careful of chimneys, they may even fall on you, stay away from beaches, stay away from damaged areas. This is the Richter scale, a numerical scale for expressing the magnitude of an earthquake on the basis of a seismic oscillations. The more destructive earthquakes typically have magnitudes between 5.5 between 8.9. This is the Mercalli scale. On a 1.0 intensity, it is not felt except by a very few. On a 2.0 intensity, it is felt by a few persons at rest, and a 3.0 intensity is felt by a lot. 4.0 intensity is felt indoors by many, and 5.0 intensity is felt by nearly everyone. In Kentucky, we don't have to really worry about anything over 5.